Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable or disable allow notification snoozing in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, go to settings. And here go to notifications. Then go to allow notification snoozing. Allow notification snoozing. Just turn on this button so that you can snooze notifications for particular notification. Here I am checking. I am sending a message from another phone and I have received a message. So that can be shown in the notification area. See here. So if you would like to snooze this notification, just click on this button so that it will be snoozed. Okay, snoozed for 1 hour. So that means up to 1 hour you will not get notification even if you receive notification from the messages. Okay, you can set this timing to 2 hours, maximum 2 hours you can use. Okay, minimum 15 minutes to maximum 2 hours you can snooze notification. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable snoozing of particular notification. Okay, yes, it is snoozed now. And if you turn off this button, allow notification snoozing, then notification snoozing will not be allowed. Okay, I am checking again. I am sending a message from another phone. I have received message, but it's not allowed. Okay, it's not shown in the notification area, but I have received message. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable or disable allow notification snoozing in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.